Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week, which ended Friday, yesterday. So let's get started. Tonight, right now is almost 11 o'clock, right, Saturday night. So this is the Euro Yen first trade of the week. Buy orders right there. SL move to break even plus, only 55 pip. Here you can see oil. Oil is on the rise again, and this one is from 81 to almost 85. And this one, pound USD for 60 pip. Remember the daily range, average range is 66. So it went up right from here all the way to 66, and then it was dropping. I closed the trade because the daily range is over, the trade is over. On the 19th, this is Euro USD for 75 pip. This one is USD-CAD going down because of the USD weakness for 70 pip. I'll show you the USD weakness, what's happening, right? So you will know. This is Bitcoin going to the upside. Bitcoin is flying, you know that. USD yen for 95 pip because of the USD weakness all the way down. And this one is Euro USD because of the USD weakness going to the upside. Euro USD is on the right hand side, the pair will go up after the USD gets weaker, right? And if it is on the left hand side, like USD CAD, USD yen, they will go down. So that's what's happening. USD pound, pound USD 50 pip again going to the upside on the 19th. This one gold. Now gold is also flying to the upside big time, right? So this is one of the trade here on the 19th. From 44.80 to 45.25. This one is Euro Aussie going to the upside here for 50 pip. This one, all these trades are taken by the CTS expert advisor, the robot, right? So this one, the entry is right there. Somehow I survived the SL here, and then it went up to 55 pip, pound Aussie. I was expecting that Euro Aussie and pound Aussie, so pound yen, beautiful entry and beautiful trade all the way, right? Entry, 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 all of these. So this entry, the first entry I got, 110 pip from the 7-minute chart. Euro yen again start flying to the upside. Yen pairs are completely destroyed. No? They just keep going to the upside. Yen is again, after the intervention, it's getting weaker again. So let's see what they're gonna do this time. Maybe they're just gonna let it go. How many times they're gonna go and do the intervention, right? And they don't want to do the intervention right now. The last one, US was involved in that, right? USD, actually, Japan need USD to do that, and the USD was given by the US, so they helped them out to do the intervention. Anyway, so pound yen going beautifully to the upside again for 105, and euro yen. Beautiful entry here, right? All of these are entry, any of these entries, these spots here, when this indicator is all the way down, not one of these, but right here, right? When the color changes also, and then the indicator need to be all the way down. Right here, just like that, red candle turns blue, boom, my indicator opens the trade, not indicator, the expert advisor, and then 100 pip for nothing. Aussie yen, again, same thing here, right? And when yen getting weaker, all yen pair will go up. So gold, you can see it from 45.26 to 46.20 on the 21st. And then the Bitcoin on the 21st is also buy orders right there. It's from 71,500 to 77,800 plus, right? So these are the trades. They are going to the upside. Let me show you what the oil is doing so that you be careful. Oil chart, I made this one on the 4th, August 4th, and it's up here somewhere right now. Let me show you. And that's why I'm taking all oil long, right? Because in my opinion, the oil is going to go. This is like another wave starting with wave 1 and 2, and this will be wave maybe 3 or C. Time will tell, but most likely wave 3. And it's like, well, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 1, and then drop to 2, and then 3, 4, 5 to the other side, right? So Elliott wave is the real drama that happens in the market. By the way, on my website, if you go, let me see if I have the website open. Here, no, this is for expect to, where's my, okay, this is the master, the market with Elliott wave. This is the book that I created, the ebook, right? It's a basic, understanding of Elliott Wave, and it is on Amazon. But for you guys, it's completely free. All you gotta do is just go on my page here and then just download, right? Put the email here and then download. Well, send me the guide. You click that, and then I think that you're gonna get it in the email. It's absolutely free. And learn the basic Elliott wave, and you will know exactly where you stand in any given time uh, of the day. Or basically, should I say that in the wave, which wave you are in? Wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four. What is going on? Wave four is dangerous one, right? So you don't want to know. You really want to know that if it is wave four, so that you can get away from it, right? Do something else. Once it's out of the wave four, then you can trade wave five. Otherwise, wave four is the one that kills, all the profit that you make, basically in wave one or two or three or five. Wave four will destroy it. So it's a very good book. Just go and get it. It's like I said, it's absolutely free. For you guys, it's on sale for Amazon. Omar put it. I don't know. It's very cheap, but because it's a book, right? It's not a video course. My video course is very detailed and explain every single thing, this and that. But this book is like give you outline so that you are aware of what the heck is happening. Right now, in the midst of making a harmonic pattern ebook as well, and I'll put that also on my website for free. Even though it will be, for sale in eBay or Amazon or whatever, right? So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys, some of these activities. And by the way, the oil, you can see here what's happening. Similar gold, right? Gold, be very careful because gold probably have finished wave one and 5 subwaves I can count, and it can drop in ABC fashion to the downside, right? So be very careful. Like I said, that when you take the book and you study it, or maybe you want to take just a video course, and then go over with that, right? And even better than that is my one-on-one, right? So I personally make you master of all this mumbo jumbo. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. And see you probably tomorrow or Monday. Okay, stop.